Think you're building strong arms with tricep dips? Be honest. Are you actually strengthening your triceps or slowly destroying your shoulders without realizing it? Most people get this move wrong, and the difference between doing it right and wrong can literally make or break your progress. Expose common mistakes. Let's start with the ugly truth. The number one mistake? People let their elbows flare way out. That doesn't just take the work away from your triceps, it dumps the stress into your shoulder joints. Big red flag. Mistake number 2. Sinking way too low. I know it looks hardcore, but your shoulders are screaming, not your triceps. And mistake 3. Turning dips into some sort of weird half squat by bouncing off the legs or hunching forward. If that's you, don't worry. We're about to fix it. Build curiosity. Hint at proper method. So what should dips feel like? Think of it this way. If your triceps aren't burning by rep 5, you're doing something wrong. The secret lies in just a few key angles: your shoulders, your elbows, and your torso. Get those right, and suddenly dips feel smooth, powerful, and safe. Miss them, and you're grinding the wrong joints. I'll break it down step by step, but stay with me until the end, because I'm going to share one advanced tweak that can instantly double the effectiveness of every rep you do. Step-by-step breakdown, simple to intermediate. All right, let's fix this. Step 1, set up. Hands on the bench or bars, fingers forward, chest tall. Think of your torso like a skyscraper. It needs a solid foundation, so engage that core tight before you even move. Step 2, elbows. As you lower down, keep them close to your body. Imagine there's a rope tied around your arms, keeping them from flaring. This keeps the triceps doing the heavy lifting. Step 3, range of motion. Lower until your elbows hit about a 90-degree angle. Not too shallow, not so deep that your shoulders cave in. This sweet spot is where your triceps fire the hardest without risking injury. And step 4, drive back up. Don't lock out at the top. Keep a slight bend so the tension never leaves your triceps. Advanced tweaks plus wrong verses. Right contrast. Now, let's level it up. If you're ready for more intensity, extend your legs out straight or even elevate your feet. This shifts more load onto your arms instead of letting your legs cheat. Want to know the biggest light bulb moment for most people? The angle of your torso. Lean too far forward. You're basically doing a chest exercise. Stay upright and suddenly, boom, the triceps take center stage. Here's the wrong way. Elbows flaring, shoulders hunching, dipping way too low. Looks tough, but it's a fast track to pain. And here's the right way. Elbows tucked, chest proud, smooth 90-degree drop, explosive push-up. Feels cleaner, looks cleaner, and builds real strength. Recap and challenge. So let's recap. Hands steady, chest tall, core tight, elbows tucked close. Lower only to 90 degrees. Drive back up under control, tension on the triceps. That's it. The recipe for perfect dips. Now here's my challenge for you. Get down right now and try 10 flawless reps using this form. Feel the burn in your triceps, not your shoulders, and notice how different it feels when you do it right. Strong closing. Every rep is a chance to either build or break your body. Choose to build. Nail your dips, protect your shoulders, and watch your arms grow stronger than ever. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I promise, your triceps will thank you.